Describe a time that something changed your life in good ways. You should say when and where it happened, what happened, how you felt about it, and explain how it changed your life in good ways.
One experience that significantly changed my life for the better happened about 3 years ago when I decided to enroll in an online public speaking course. At the time, I was in university, and although I was doing fairly well academically, I struggled with confidence, especially when it came to expressing myself in front of others. The turning point came during a group presentation. I completely froze in front of the class, and it left me feeling embarrassed and defeated. After that, I knew I had to address my fear, so I searched online and found a highly rated course on communication and public speaking. The course ran for 8 weeks, and I attended it from my dorm room. Each session involved small challenges, like recording myself speaking, giving impromptu talks, and even participating in live group discussions. Although it felt uncomfortable at first, I gradually began to feel more self-assured. Emotionally, it was transformative. I went from being anxious and hesitant to someone who could confidently share ideas. The real reward came a few months later when I was invited to represent my class in a university debate competition, and we actually won. This experience changed my life in so many positive ways. Not only did it help me conquer my fear of public speaking, but it also improved my overall communication skills, which benefited my academics, relationships, and now even my career. I've since spoken at events, led workshops, and I'm now comfortable in roles that require leadership and persuasion. In short, that decision to confront a personal weakness ended up unlocking a strength I didn't know I had, and it genuinely altered the course of my personal and professional development.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.